If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Atlas series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Officers IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. See, the objective of the scheme, the aim of the scheme is water should be available for every field. Every field should have water. Every farm field should have water. Right? Water use efficiency has to be improved. We should not waste water. Efficiently, we have to use water. The investments on irrigation projects has to be improved. The ongoing irrigation project should also be speeded up, it should be completed. Water conservation. So these are the four important aim of this Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Right? Water should be available for every field. Water use efficiency has to be improved. Investments on irrigation has to be improved. The ongoing irrigation projects has to be completed. Water should be conserved. So for this purpose, under this Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, we have four components. Component number one is AIBP, Accelerated Irrigation Benefits Program. Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program. So under AIBP, the ongoing major and medium irrigation projects. The ongoing major and medium irrigation projects has to be completed. When I say major medium irrigation project, that means that project will benefit more than 10,000 hectares. Medium project, that will benefit between 2,500 to 10,000 hectares. 10,000 plus hectares, if the area is getting benefited, that is major irrigation project. Somewhere between 2,500 to 10,000 hectares are getting benefited, then that is called as medium irrigation project. Okay, less than 2,500, that is minor irrigation project. But this AIBP focuses on speeding up the completion of ongoing major medium irrigation program. That is the first component. Second component is Har Khet Ko Pani, water for every field. In Hindi, it is being referred as Har Khet Ko Pani. So under this program, new minor irrigation projects will be set up. Minor means we know when it benefits less than 2,500 hectares, then it is called as minor irrigation projects. So there will be many minor irrigation projects will be set up under this water for every field component. Right? This component also focuses on improving the groundwater. So we have to conserve the groundwater. This component also focuses on harvesting the rainwater. This component also focuses on repairing reconstructions of existing water reservoirs. So existing water reservoirs that will be repaired, will be reconstructed, and there will be, see, in villages, if you take, in some village you will have plenty of water. In some village you will have water deficit. So under this program, efforts will be taken to divert the surplus water to deficit locations. So all these will be taken care as a part of the second component called as water for every field. The third component of this program, that is water use efficiency. Per drop, more crop. Per drop, more crop. That is, under this program, government will focus on water use efficiency techniques like sprinkler irrigation, like we have this drip irrigation, right? Sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. So these kind of irrigation methods will be promoted. So we know drip irrigation. So drip irrigation, so we have, let's say we have plants here closer to the roots. You will have a small pipe running through the field. So from these small pipes, the water will ooze out as drops. Okay, so we will not will not be spending a lot of water in this water field, like how we see in the rice field. You will have a lot of water logging. Such things will not happen. So there will be a pipeline which will be running closer to the roots of the plant. So at regular intervals, water droplets will ooze out, and that will keep the soil with moisture, and that helps in efficient plant growth. Okay, sprinkler irrigation, again, small droplets of water will be sprayed at regular intervals across the field. So it will give a feeling as if the plants are receiving rainfall. But what we do is we sprinkle the water at regular intervals with the help of machines. Again, all these will help in improving the water use efficiency. Right. The next component of this program is going to be watershed management. Watershed management. So here watershed means it is the runoff region. That is, let's take a mountain. So here a river originates. The river travels through different locations of the area, and finally it enters the ocean, assume, right? So the entire area where the water is getting drained, that is called as watershed. The entire area where we are seeing that runoff water, that is called as watershed. So if you want to save such runoff water, then you have to conserve this watershed region, right? Only when you conserve this watershed region, it is in this region the water is running off. We have to conserve that runoff water. Let's say there is rain. That rainwater also drains in a particular region. If you want to conserve the rainwater, you have to conserve that runoff water, for which you have to conserve that area only. That area is called as watershed. So watershed management is the fourth component. So 4 components under this program. One is accelerated irrigation benefits program. Second one is water for every field, har khet ko pani. Third one is per drop more crop, and fourth one is watershed management. It is the state government which is going to execute these programs. So state government will come up with a state level irrigation plan as well as a district level irrigation plan, and they will be executing this Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The centrally sponsored scheme launched in 2015 by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It has 4 components, right? So why it was in news? So a considerable progress has been made in the irrigation of land. More than half of the country's cultivated land has access to assured irrigation, right? So because of this data, we got the news regarding Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, right? I hope the topic was useful. So I will meet you next video with another important interesting topic. Till then, bye, take care.